After a while of not uploading videos, I'll tell you what I just did. I replaced the leathers in these Revere r913 hammers. It sounds wonderful. I'll show you what they sound like. Here's the first quarter of the Westminster. Okay, second quarter. Third quarter. And the fourth quarter. And the hour strike. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. And a little tip for you, if you get one of these older R913s, don't even bother getting the chime rods out, because it's such a tight fit that it's just a pain in the rear end to get them out. So a 10 out of 10. Don't recommend, but thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and stay warm. Bye-bye.